Myself Sachin H.S. I joined Spiders Pasavanagudi in May 22nd, 2022. The day I joined, I had no basic knowledge of anything about Python or how the IT industry works, or I didn't had any skill. But now I can say that I have trained skillfully, and I have self-confidence on me, and trainers here will have so much patience, and they can train you from scratch to pro. And the teaching here is excellent. They not only taught me what I have paid for, but they also made me attend all extra classes also. And you can also take, if you skipped any classes, you can also come for backups. They will provide backup also. So if you are willing to join any software development course, then PySpiders has to be your first in your list.